You have to be relevant beyond your youth. In every industry today, the focus is going towards hiring young people. Why? Because young people, you can just give them pizza and a burger, make them work for 18 hours. They won't say, I have a family commitment, or I can't take a train at 11 o'clock, or I have sugar. But that's just cruel. I don't think society will survive very long if we say survival of the fittest. Because how many people are there in that manner? What about our parents? What about your teachers? So, educate yourself, put enough fuel here to last you beyond your youth, because once your youth is gone, you have something even better, and it's called experience. And that's not something that you can read. That's something you have to go through, and that includes tremendous amounts of failures. I have one day every week when I think, यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? मेरे फ्रेंड हॉलीडे पे जा रहे हैं, मुझे यहाँ 11 बजे सोना है क्योंकि सुबह मैं जिम जाऊँगी. What is this? They are partying. They've bought houses. They've made empires. You can't compare yourself to other people because what you're doing is very different. Okay? I hope that answers it. Anything else from anyone else? कुछ लड़कियाँ हाथ उठाएंगी? ये मैं ही सबका काम करती रहूँ यहाँ आके. Yes.
First of all, good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening.
I have a question. What was the main criteria before entering into the Bollywood industry or in the field of acting?
No, that's okay. This is sounding like a journalism question. Ask me something specific to training, to education, then I can answer it. My criteria was what I love what I do.
I have to know what is the motivation do you give to others?
When you have a very strong sense of purpose, then you don't need much motivation. If you have a passion, then you don't need much motivation. Someone tells me today that you have to go and learn embroidery. I will have zero motivation for that, I won't go. But if someone tells me that you can do Kalari Payuttu for 2 months and it will help your acting, I'll go. You understand? So your passion is your motivation. Don't rely on other things because they don't last. Money, success, these awards, it's all flavor of the season. And if you don't believe me, just pick up this month's hottest magazine and pick up exactly 2 years ago ka hottest magazine. And you will find what's hot is so replaceable. Don't be that person. Don't be replaceable. And
Hi. So I'm looking for a job in PR. So I'd like to know if I look for a job with celebrity PR.
Yes.
What is it about a celebrity that I must know in order to be comfortable handling the celebrity?
I think you have to know very little about the celebrity. The celebrity is your client. What you need to know is good language skills, punctuation, grammar, जो आजकल मिलता ही नहीं है. So if you have that now, then you're already here. Half the people will send you messages like GTG, BRB, TTYL. That doesn't cut it. You need to read the paper and you need to be well informed. You need to be well informed even about things that are not entertainment, and which party is whatever. Find out about what's happening in the world. How does Donald Trump, cast a dark shadow over the rest of the world? And how does a small election in France give a hope to a lot of people? You should always know. Second thing you should have knowledge of is strategy. There's very little you need to know about celebrities. Most celebrities are not as nice as me. I'm nice because I'm an outsider. But most people will think that the world revolves around them. It doesn't. And I think that's why we tend to think it, because we have to convince ourselves that I matter, I'm relevant, So learn strategy, understand how people work, see what gets more traction. Don't always go for it. Like if kitten videos on Instagram, we get a lot of traction, but it's not newsworthy. It's just a video of a kitten. And I love cats, but it doesn't serve much purpose. So be purposeful and be prepared. Read books. They're still around.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. See, I said girls and so many girls picked up. Hey ladies, I just want to take 2 minutes out and talk to you. This is India, and anywhere in the world, there will always be more men in the room than you. You know why? Because there will always be more men in the room till we go to feminist conclave. When you go to feminist conclave, the people who should be there, the men, will not be there. Because they are like, oh, they are discussing menstruation, oh no. But it's not like that. The truth is, to create gender balance, we need men and women, right? And beti bachao, beti padhao. The problem is not that. The problem is that as women, we always hold back a little bit. I've done it. I don't want you to do it. That's why I gave little Chabi. Yes?
Hi, this is Alpana.
Hi.
I really liked the point that you made of go beyond youth and be relevant.
Yeah.
I have two questions actually. One is about this that you spoke. If I extrapolate that to cinema world,
Yeah.
What is your opinion
If you
on...
extrapolate that to cinema world, that means that when I'm 23, I should not be playing a 60-year-old woman, but I did.
No. What I mean, if you know, the youth is so much relevant for the lead role, then if you know, how do you see it doing, you know, going into character roles or going, you know, towards the other side?
No, I actually don't see it like that. For me, a role is a role because that's just how the world is. A role is a role. In India, we have terminology: outsider, insider, star kid, character, side hero, side heroine, heroine ki dost, heroine ki mummy. I'm very saddened to read the obituaries of Reema Lagoo, which entirely ignored her stage career as a fantastic Marathi actress and keeps saying favorite on-screen mummy. Arey? Yeah. What about the other things she did? And the answer is also to create content for all kinds of people. People who are outsiders, people who are 40, people who are 50, people who are 10. So it's like that. And that's already happening, it's changing if you watch it.
Yeah, slowly actually, yeah. So I think the perspective has to change from the other people and even the audience.
Don't depend on the other. Don't depend on the other.
I have another question to you because you spoke as insider outsider. I want to know, do you feel that, you know, the celebrityism in India is, you know, insane levels? You know?
No, actually this is fine, man. I spend a lot of time in LA and I see people going crazy after the Kardashian family.
Oh
And they talk about how they've destroyed family values, people are taking the quick road to success, blah, 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 blah. But then you read the same thing everywhere. Why do I have to know all 6 sisters ka naam? Why? Why do I have to read about mummy that becomes papa that becomes mummy? Why? There are other more important things in the world. Watch what you are being fed also. Be very careful of what you are reading. What is being told to you. You know? So, this nepotism thing is a thing, unfortunately. I wish it was more like the, you know, like how you have Ustad Allah Rakha Khan and then he has Zakir Hussain. That's legacy, man. If we have legacy in India, our industry will be somewhere else.
True.
Yeah. And I may not be a star kid, but I think my parents are stars. So I don't tell them. Thank you. One last question. Okay. भाई मुझे पता है तेरे 2 हाथ हैं. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Let's be generous. Go. वो पहले वो खड़ी हुई थी. उसके बाद जाओ. Then you, then her. Then we're done.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Actually, I wanted to speak about this concept when it comes to acting.
Yeah.
Most parents are very narrow-minded. For an example, I'll give you my parents. When I was in my 6th grade, I wanted to become an actress because I was very good with my expressions and I had got a lot of compliments for that too. So then I plotted this idea to my mother that I would become an actress. She directly pushed me away. She's like, no. After that, I thought that I will sneak into the film directing thing so that I can get a sneak peek into acting.
Never do that. Many people try. Just don't do it.
Yeah,
Please.
so then she pushed me out of that too. She's like, no film industry. Basically, what she believes is that film
Is your mom here?
industry...
I want to meet her.
No, she's not here. basically for her, film industry is for women.
Ah.
For women is showing off your clothes, of your body, skin show, and you don't get a role without having a physical relationship with the director.
No, you can tell her to call me because I have not had physical relation with director,
That's
and I'm standing here. So all I'm saying to you, when I wanted to become an actor, apart from my immediate parents that took a lot of coaxing, and I told them, and they were like, okay, go for it, don't have regrets later. Each member of my extended family who don't really care, who only call me board mein kitne marks aaye. That's the only time they genuinely care about it. Kitna cut off hai, ho gaya kya admission. These are the people who were opinion makers who said, no, you can't survive, it's a dirty world. And all kinds of things. The thing is today, it's a choice, right? If somebody wants to barter something that is as temporary as a physical relation with a director, then it's their choice, let them do it. It's sad because when they do that, people expect it of all of us. That's very sad. But then they live with their choices. They can go cuckoo at 40 or die alone. You never know, you know. So don't go by that. There's a lot of things that are said about the industry. Some of it is true, some of it is not. And look for positive role models. I wish your mom was here. I could tell her, "Ki auntie, sab aise nahi hote." I totally get where you're coming from. Like we're normal people from normal middle class families. Our parents do their own thing, you know. Nobody's waiting out after puberty to sign you for the first big film. It's true that, but you can still do it, man. You can.
Thank you.
And don't take the other route, because it's good if you study direction and then you become an actor, or if your interest changes. But if you have clarity, you want to become an actor, then study acting. Na? It'll be more enjoyable for you. When you study acting, you end up studying a little bit of writing, direction, how to keep within a budget, so production and everything, you know. But study what you want to study.
So actually, unfortunately, we're running out of time.
Please, yeah, ये दोनों, बस जल्दी
We can do these? Alright.
जल्दी.
Yeah, ma'am. So I always wanted to know the difference between realistic acting and this commercial. I don't know what the other thing is called, so I call it commercial.
I also don't know.
So can you tell me, like, I assume that what you guys are doing, yesterday Vicky sir was here, is realistic acting, and what maybe the Khan family is doing is commercial. I'm not sure, but just saying.
No, I don't think so. See, acting is acting. You understand what you're acting for. If I go into an opera and I have to sing loudly going, "Ah," then I will be looking like I'm over the top to some people. But if I'm doing a very physical play, if I'm doing TV, the grammar is totally different, because the auntie who's watching it from the kitchen has to follow it every 2 minutes. So we repeatedly drive the same thing. And there's no judgment here, honestly, about anything. It's what people do. You'll know what good acting is. You should focus on that. Not realistic, non-realistic. Don't get into those labels. Not right now. You'll know what good acting is when somebody touches you. And that's all you need. When you have honesty to the world. Yeah? Okay, done. Last.
Like there are parents.
Your left side. Your left side. No, bedroom आएगा भी नहीं है.
So, ladies and gentlemen, just letting you know that Dharani Rockers will be taking
Richa, just turn your left side.
I'm going to request you to fancy Dharani Rockers, an amazing band right here from Delhi. Backstage historian will be taking stage right after this, requesting you to stick on. We promise you an amazing performance. This is a little thank you from the Entertainment Show and Event Capital. On stage with us, Deepak Chaudhary from Event Capital. Thank you so much for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, we show some love, some body love. A big thank you for showing up for Event Capital. Thank you for the show. It's appreciated by Event Capital. This is Deepak. A few words.
रिचा लेफ्ट में Richa ji. Richa left. Look here.
We're going to get them back on stage. While she is walking away, ladies and gentlemen, please.
Okay, ऋचा जी सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
बीच में देखना है?
एजुटेनमेंट शो के हमने देखा स्टूडेंट के साथ इंटरैक्ट भी किया आपने, तो कैसा रहा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस?
मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मुझे लगता है हर स्टेज पे इंसान को वापस देना चाहिए सोसाइटी को। तो अभी स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब मैं स्टूडेंट थी शायद कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मैं किसी से नहीं पूछ सकती थी, पर अब अगर मुझे मौका मिल रहा है, जैसे ऑडियंस में ही कुछ 2-3 एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स थे, अगर उनकी थोड़ी मदद होती है तो फिर व्हाई नॉट। मेरा बस कुछ घंटे जाएंगे पर उनको डायरेक्शन मिल जाएगी।
So you were talking about being typecasted.
Yeah, no, I wasn't talking about being typecasted.
Right, Reema Lagoo being called the super popular Indian mom. So is it true that when you did Wasipur, you were offered Hrithik Roshan's mother role in Agnipath?
Such a sensational question. I've already answered it. Get a better question, I'll give you a better answer. This question is already online. You can check it out.
I did not know.
It was somebody who hadn't even met me or seen me gave me a call and said, "Would you?" I said, "No, I'm 23 years old." They said, "Oh, sorry." So I'm saying I was just making a point about how casting is done sometimes. But ask me something else. That somebody else already asked. Ask something else. I'm sitting here for you to answer your question. So ask something nice.
In the discussion you were sharing, you had to lie to your parents coming to Mumbai. So when was it that you actually told them the truth? Was it?
No, I wasn't. See, I wasn't lying. They knew I had an interest in acting. My parents always knew I had an interest in acting. But like most Indian parents, most normal middle-class Indians, they had a few apprehensions. So then they said, why don't you study a little more? Don't do just college. Study a little more after college, and then you can proceed with your ambition. And that's what I did. I studied a little more. I happened to love what I was studying, and it really benefited me. Even today, as an actor, it benefits me.
रिचा जी, काफ़ी अच्छी बात है कि आप यंगस्टर्स के साथ जो न्यू कमर होते हैं उनके साथ काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिलेट करती हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है।
क्योंकि मैं यंग हूँ ना, इसलिए।
और यही
आज से 10 साल बाद हो सकता है कि मुझे थोड़ी मुश्किल हो, ये हो सकता है।
और यही वजह है कि आप
ओह वाओ, थैंक्स मैन।
और यही वजह है कि आप उनको गाइड करती रहती हैं, एड्रेस करती रहती हैं।
गाइड नहीं, मुझे अभी अगर यूथ है, अगर उसको चैनलाइज नहीं करेंगे तो वो बिखर जाएगा। और अभी हमारे देश में मतलब इकोनॉमिक रिसेशन सा चल रहा है, चाहे कोई भी आंकड़े कुछ भी करें, बेरोज़गारी बढ़ रही है, तो यूथ को हौसला देना बहुत ज़रूरी है। हर देश में एक तरफ यूथ है और एक तरफ तजुर्बा है। अगर हम यूथ को थोड़ा सशक्त नहीं करेंगे, उनको थोड़ा पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं देंगे, और वो भी इस तरह से जैसे उनकी भाषा में हंसी मजाक करके उनको समझा के अगर हम उनको इंस्पायर नहीं करेंगे तो बहुत मतलब इट्स अ ट्रेजेडी।
चाहे कोई भी इंडस्ट्री क्यों ना हो, जो भी अपने मुकाम पर आप हासिल कर चुके हैं, आप जब अपने यूथ को अपनी फील्ड में जाकर आप युवाओं को आप प्रोत्साहन देते हैं तो काफ़ी अच्छी बात होती है। लेकिन आजकल के बिजी शेड्यूल में ऐसा कम होता है, तो इस
हाँ होता है कम। यहाँ आना मेरे लिए मुश्किल था, पर मैं आ गई। कुछ घंटे निकालने की बात है। अगर पहले से पता होता है कि यहाँ इस दिन आना है और ये काम करना है तो हो जाता है।
और हमने देखा खून वाली चिट्ठी की प्रोड्यूसर डेब्यू आपने किया, आगे इन फ्यूचर में भी हम क्या कुछ अगर प्लान अगर आप बताना चाहें?
अभी एक स्क्रिप्ट डेवलप कर रहे हैं जो फीचर स्क्रिप्ट है। हालांकि बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी शॉर्ट फिल्म के साथ हमें अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, पर मैंने प्रोडक्शन एक्चुअली अपने दोस्त की मदद करने के लिए की थी, और मैंने तब इतना एम्बिशियस प्लान नहीं बनाया था कि पर मुझे लगता है कि डिजिटल कंटेंट मेरे लिए इंटरेस्टिंग है और फिल्म्स, तो हाँ उस दिशा में काम चल रहा है। थोड़ा लगेगा 1 साल या कुछ।
जो पॉपुलर फ्रेंचाइजी अभी रिलीज भी नहीं है लेकिन मूवीज बस क्रिएट कर चुकी है।
नहीं रिलीज हो गई भाई।
फुकरे 2 की बात कर लो।
ओ फुकरे, आई हर्ड खून वाली चिट्ठी। हाँ फुकरे का क्या?
फुकरे 2 अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अभी बस चल रहा है और उसकी तैयारी भी आपने कर ही ली होगी रिलीज की पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन?
नहीं, फुकरे अभी एडिट में है और जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है एडिट में लोगों को काफ़ी पसंद आ रही है, बहुत फ़नी फिल्म है और सक्सेसफुल फ्रेंचाइज तो है, बट हमने ये सोच के कि सक्सेसफुल फ्रेंचाइज है, हमने इस बार दुगनी मेहनत की है क्योंकि नॉर्मली सीक्वल्स पे श्राप होता है तो हम उसको तोड़ना चाहते हैं।
एक आखिरी सवाल ये, क्योंकि हमने देखा आप एक ब्यूटीफुल एक्टर भी हैं, प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं, तो हम ऐसा माने कि इन फ्यूचर आप एक बिजनेस वूमेन बनने की तैयारी कर रही हैं या बिजनेस वूमेन बनना चाहती हैं आप?
आई थिंक एक्टिंग एक तरह का बिजनेस ही होता है। आप मतलब हम एक्टिंग
जैसे कि आप प्रोड्यूसर में आप अपना हाथ आजमाएं, तो हम क्या फ्यूचर में देखेंगे कि आईपीएल में भी आपकी टीम होगी इस तरह से? ऐसा
नहीं, मैं एक सीरीज़ में ज़रूर आ रही हूँ, उसका नाम है इनसाइड एज, उसमें मैं एक एक्ट्रेस का रोल प्ले कर रही हूँ जो जिसकी क्रिकेट टीम है। मुझे पता है इससे बहुत ऑब्वियसली तुलना होगी, पर मेरा फ़िलहाल इस वक्त तो कोई प्लान नहीं है। नहीं तो अगर तुम्हारे पास ज़्यादा पैसे हैं तो दे दो मुझे, मैं खरीद लेती हूँ एक आध।
So there is a lot of scope in short movies, like a lot of good short movies are being made.
Yes.
So there is no proper monetization plan. Yeah, you need to monetize.
See, no, there is a monetization plan today. That's if it was not working, then very few people would make short films. So today, lots of people are making short films because they can, like, I made a short film and I sold it to Royal Stag. So it's like that. Something or the other is happening. And there's no clear structure right now क्योंकि वो बहुत नया है अभी. धीरे धीरे system will fall into place.
You can screen short movies in like general theaters. They are
no, but but then they are not. They are not like Bahubali that need a huge theater. You can watch them on a small screen also. In India, anyway, we have fewer screens, so we have to compensate for that deficit somewhere. Yes.
Where do you see Indian cinema in international market? हाल ही में दंगल जो रिलीज हुई, चाइना में उन्होंने रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा और बाहुबली भी जिस तरह से कर रही है, कहाँ देखती है हम हमारी फिल्मों?
बाहुबली और दंगल एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है कि जब इंडिया लार्जर देन लाइफ फिल्में बनाता है, या जैसे लंच बॉक्स ने भी यूएस में काफ़ी पैसे कमाए थे, मसान भी फ्रांस में रिलीज़ हुई थी, स्पेन जर्मनी में रिलीज़ हुई थी, वहाँ उसने पैसे कमाए। तो ये धीरे धीरे पैसे आते रहते हैं, तो ये अच्छा रहता है प्रोड्यूसर के लिए। मुझे लगता है कि जैसे हॉलीवुड अपनी फिल्में हर जगह दिखाता है, चाहे चाइना हो या कोरिया हो या मॉरिशस हो, सब लोग देखते हैं वो फिल्म्स, तो धीरे धीरे आई थिंक बॉलीवुड को भी उस दिशा में जाना चाहिए। बट अगर हम क्वालिटी और कंटेंट थोड़ा मैनेज कर लेना, जैसे कि बॉक्स ऑफिस पे जो चलता है उसके साथ कंटेंट भी उतना ही अच्छा, तो हम वी आर अ हिट देन। जैसे दंगल एक करेक्ट एग्जांपल है, कमर्शियल फिल्म है, उसमें गाने भी हैं और सब कुछ है, पर उसमें कंटेंट अच्छा है, तो मैसेज हो ना हो कंटेंट भी अच्छा होता है। जैसे 3 इडियट्स भी वहाँ इसलिए चली थी बिकॉज उसका कंटेंट अच्छा था, तो धीरे धीरे अच्छे कंटेंट को लोग यूनिवर्सली समझ सकते हैं।
जो है हमारी फिल्मों की जो मार्केटिंग है उसमें हम कहीं ना कहीं पिछड़ रहे हैं, उसे दुरुस्त करने की जरूरत है।
नहीं, मुझे लगता है हम बहुत ज़्यादा मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, तो टीवी पे भी आ जाते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर में भी आ जाते हैं, होर्डिंग पे, रेडियो पे, फ़ोन पे। इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में आप तभी कोई चीज़ मार्केट करोगे ना जब आपको कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा कि ये वहाँ चलेगी। नो वन वांट्स टू वेस्ट मनी। अगर अभी दंगल और बाहुबली ने पैसे कमाए हैं तो धीरे धीरे more people will spend money on marketing overseas also.
कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये भी लगता है कि हमारे जो फिल्म फेस्टिवल है उसको भी बढ़ावा देना चाहिए? जैसे कि आप देख लीजिए कांस फिल्म फेस्टिवल या फिर यूरोपियन फिल्म फेस्टिवल कितनी पॉपुलर है हमारी।
कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल बहुत अच्छा नहीं, गोवा फिल्म फेस्टिवल के अलावा यहाँ मामी होता है बॉम्बे में, और मामी की सिलेक्शन बहुत अच्छी होती है। जो गवर्नमेंट का फिल्म फेस्टिवल है इफ़ी गोवा फिल्म फेस्टिवल, वहाँ भी बहुत अच्छे सिनेमा के लोग आते हैं। जब मैं गई थी 2 साल पहले तो वहाँ वोंकार राय आए थे। मैंने कभी सपने में नहीं सोचा था कि वोंकार राय उनकी वाइफ इंडिया में गोवा में फिल्म फेस्टिवल अटेंड करने आएंगी। ये अलग बात है कि ये बहुत ग्लैमरस नहीं है, आप टीवी पे 10 घंटे बैठ के डांसर्स नहीं देखते तो आपको लगता है कि शायद ये बड़े नहीं है, पर जहाँ कंटेंट होना चाहिए ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स बहुत अच्छे आगे आ रहे हैं। और गोवा में जो इफ़ी होता है उसमें फ़िल्म बाज़ार होता है, दैट इज़ सो बेनिफिशियल टू यंग फिल्म मेकर्स। फिल्म बाज़ार में फिल्मों को फंडिंग मिल जाती है, किसी की फिल्म अटकी होती है, अगर छोटी बजट की फिल्म होती है तो उसको फंडिंग मिल जाती है, प्रोड्यूसर इंटरेस्ट दिखाते हैं, लोग मीटिंग्स करते हैं, सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड टाइम। और दूसरी बात ये कि भाई टाइम लगता है, कैन का 70वां साल चल रहा है,
तो
और हम तो अभी
उभर रहे हैं 70 साल हमारी आज़ादी को होंगे।
जी जी जी।
तो कम ऑन यार।
तो
हाँ
देखा आपने इस बार का जो कुछ भी हमने देखा है?
कैन में तो अभी कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आया, इस साल थोड़ा लेट भी शुरू हुआ। मैंने तो सिर्फ फैशन की फोटो देखी। हाँ
अच्छा लगा आपको?
हाँ मुझे अच्छा लगा। आपको कैसा लगा? कौन सी वाली ड्रेस अच्छी थी? मरून वाली कि ब्लू वाली? स्काई ब्लू वाली कौन सी? वो जो बड़ी वाली प्रिंसेस ड्रेस। अच्छा चलो भाई, इनको वो पसंद आई है। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू। सॉरी मैं 1-on-1 नहीं कर पाई, मेरे को भागना है।